Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today, where timeless truths meet modern challenges. Let's face it, haters are everywhere, online, at work, even in our own families. And when they come for you with insults, gossip, or cheap shots, your first instinct is to react, to fight back, defend yourself, prove them wrong. But the Stoics knew a better way, a more powerful way: indifference. In this video, you'll learn 6 Stoic strategies to deal with haters without losing your peace, your power, or your purpose. Let's begin. It's not about you. Part 1. See their insecurity. It's not about you. When someone throws hate your way, your first reaction might be, what did I do wrong? But the Stoics would say, it's not about you. It's about them. Most attacks come from fear, insecurity, or envy. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The opinion of others is not your concern." A hater's words are not truth. They're projections of their own pain. So when criticism lands at your feet like a stone, don't throw it back. Just look at it, recognize where it came from, and walk away. Part 2. Stay silent. Starve the fire. Haters feed on your reaction. They want to see you get angry, defensive, or hurt. It gives them power, but Stoicism teaches a different tactic: silence. No angry replies, no emotional posts, no back and forth, just pause. Your calm response, or no response at all, is louder than any comeback. You don't owe them your energy. Like a fire without oxygen, their insults die out when you don't feed them. Remember, silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. Part 3. Master your inner dialogue. Even if you say nothing, their words can echo inside you. That's where Stoicism really begins, in the mind. When a cruel comment gets stuck in your head, label it. This is judgment, not fact. Then replace it with the truth. I choose my peace. Repeat it silently. Let it settle. Over time, your brain will learn to default to clarity instead of chaos. Don't argue with haters in your head. Train your thoughts like a philosopher. That's where real strength is built. Part 4. Anchor in virtue, not popularity. Stoics never measured success by applause. They lived by virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, temperance. So when someone questions your worth, don't ask, do they like me? Ask, does this response reflect who I am? Let your actions be guided by principle, not pressure. Let your dignity speak louder than any insult. They may never respect you. That's fine. You respect you, and that's what matters. Part 5. Turn hate into fuel. Every insult is a spark. You can use it to burn with rage or light your path forward. Ask, how can I prove them wrong? Not with words, but with action. Channel their doubt into your work, your training, your craft. Let success become your quiet answer. No need for revenge, no need for validation, just growth. Let your life speak, loud and clear. 6. Release bitterness with compassion. The final step is the hardest and the most freeing. Let go. Don't carry the hate. It's not yours to hold. Seneca said, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. So release it, not for them, for you. In a quiet moment, send them a silent wish. May you find peace. That's not weakness. It's liberation. Compassion is the final cut that severs the chain. Conclusion. So let's review. See their insecurity. Stay silent. Master your thoughts. Anchor in virtue. Use hate as fuel. Release bitterness. Practice these daily, and no insult can shake your foundation. You'll be calm, clear, and unstoppable. Which strategy will you use first? Tell us in the comments. And if this helped you rise above the noise, like the video, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom today for more timeless power. Remember, the best response to hate is indifference. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.